with the Fouga Magister. Bud's going out getting set up here. He's giving it a turn around here. While he's getting set up, we've got time for one announcement here. I think we want to talk about the Fresh Kitchen Teriyaki.
You know, the Fresh Kitchen Teriyaki has been here for quite some time.
You know, they've been operating since 1986. They proudly serve our delicious meals made with homemade sauces using only fresh ingredients. Happy to serve the Olympic Airshow here and the very best teriyaki in town.
You know, I kind of like teriyaki Airshow and a Fouga to speak.
That's right.
They're not a bad combination. Speaking of the Fouga,
here
he comes.
Bud on show center. All right, from the east, here comes Bud Granley and the Fouga Magister doing a slow roll.
I've ever seen painted entirely in gold.
It's a beautiful airplane. This aircraft would be right underneath the performance level of what we saw for the T-38 Cal. T-38 would have been supersonic training. This would have been high performance jet right below that, but not supersonic.
It's like Bud's going to do a low pass in front of us here.
Hesitation roll there with the Fouga Magister. When they stop on the corners like that, they call that a hesitation roll. You know, we still have a blue Chevy truck over at Gower Aviation. It's actually, I think we may have announced it wrong last time. It's Arizona license plate S1922L as in Lima. That needs to be moved, or it really will be towed.
72.
Here comes Bud again. Low pass in the French-made Fouga. High into the clouds, but not quite the ceiling.
You know, though, Greg, every airplane we get here, it looks like the ceiling's going up.
I think you're right.
Coming in with a super low pass here with the Magister. You know, our fantastic co-coordinator Liz handed me this paper, and she had to correct her writing. Our Arizona license plate is 51822L.
51822L. Now, if he doesn't move his vehicle, now what's it going to be?
She did it again. She did it again. It looks like a 2. It's horrible. 518. We're going to let Elizabeth do it since she lowered it down.
There is a truck, a blue Chevy, Arizona license plate, 518ZZL. It is by Gower Aviation. It needs to be moved. It is blocking someone. Thank you very much.
And the new Airshow announcer, Elizabeth Poppelman.
You know, her Z's look a lot like 2s to me.
You know, that 5 looks a lot like an S.
Have you been over to the beer garden earlier today?
And here comes Bud. Up into the crowd. Fantastic climb.
I feel a little warmth on my face, Kurt.
I do. Bud's making holes all over the place. Keep going, Bud. Come on.
Bring it on down, bud.
You know, that is one sleek airplane, Greg.
Very aerodynamic. I hate to say it, but kind of a fashion statement up in the sky. Well, looks like Bud's coming in for another low pass from the east, Kirk.
Your Miata flies about that low to the ground, Greg.
That and the old Dodge Colt out there.
It's flying really low.
You know, there's a very distinctive sound warming up over to the east of us, Kurt.
That sound is unmistakable. That's our Hueys warming up over there.
Bud's just doing a beautiful job in this French-made photo. Look at this.
Well, there were 929 of these aircraft built. And I think Bud actually has access to 2 of them, if I'm not mistaken.
Sounds like that Huey's getting warmed up there, Kurt.
They sure are. They're going through their pre-flight checks, getting the turbines all warmed up, getting them to operating temperature. You should see them get light on their skis here in just a little while, as Bud finishes a fantastic show for us. Photo pass, Bud Granley, the Fouga Magister.
And right in front of us, folks, Bud Granley. Give him away, folks.